Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export high-quality videos in Capcut on PC step by step. Choosing the right export settings can help you maintain excellent video quality while ensuring your videos look great on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So let's get started. First, open Capcut on your PC and open the project you want to export. Before exporting, preview your entire video to make sure all your edits, transitions, effects, and audio are exactly how you want them. Once you're satisfied with your project, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Export button. The Export Settings window will now appear. First, choose a name for your video and select the folder where you want to save it. Next, under Resolution, select the highest resolution supported by your project. For most videos, 1080p is a great choice, while 4K is ideal if your original footage was recorded in 4K. Now set the frame rate. If your footage was recorded at 30 frames per second, choose 30 FPS. If it was recorded at 60 frames per second, select 60 FPS to preserve smooth motion. Next, adjust the bitrate or quality settings. For the best quality, choose higher quality or increase the bitrate if the option is available. Keep in mind that higher quality settings will produce larger file sizes. You should also make sure the codec is set to H.264, as it provides an excellent balance between quality and file size and is supported by most platforms. After reviewing all the settings, click Export. Capcut will now begin rendering and exporting your video. The export process may take some time depending on the length of your project, the selected quality settings, and your computer's performance. Once the export is complete, open the saved video and review it to ensure the quality meets your expectations. And that's it. You've successfully exported a high-quality video in Capcut on PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Capcut tutorials and video editing tips. See you in the next one.